Well, COVID-19 is set to have a strong economic impact the world over. Also at the forefront of the discussion, however, the pandemic's environmental impact, which happens to be a positive one, as Antoine Smith tells us.
Clearer and seemingly cleaner air in Los Angeles, and it appears to be the same for the canals of Venice. All over the world, individuals touting the lift of smog and better water quality, something environmentalists lend to the decrease in human activity due to COVID-19.
Billions of people who are not moving around as they usually do. Thousands of aircrafts are on the ground and not flying around. Hundreds of millions of vehicles, I guess, probably are not moving around as they usually do. So there's a huge reduction in the carbon footprint.
And the evidence says the same. According to scientists at the System of Air Quality After Lockdown, highly populated countries like India saw a major decline in nitrogen dioxide levels at 50%. In China, emissions reduced by almost the same rate. It appears to be a head start on becoming environmentally conscious. However, environmentalists say it's a band-aid for a bigger issue.
Generally, climate change is still happening. It's still taking place. You know, things that are in motion that are causing the frequency and intensity of storms, those things are still happening. So climate change, which is our greatest existential threat, is still there, and it's something we have to be always concerned about.
The long-term fix, sustainable practices at a global and, more importantly, a local level. For Bahamians, Executive Director of the Bahamas National Trust, Eric Carey, says this means relying more on subsistence, reducing reliability on global agricultural industry, and promoting and protecting the resources that lay in our waters.
You know, these are our treasure banks. These are our stocks. This is where we protect the environment. This is what is going to sustain us. The replenishment ability and capability of well-managed national parks and protected areas are going to be absolutely critical to our future.
Antoine Smith, ZNS Network News.